Buddy, this is our video. Say hi. Hi. We already just were in the middle of the video. You were supposed to say, "Oh, what a beautiful flower." Well, I don't. Oh, look what I found over here. No, wait. What's your name? All right. Come over here. Look what I found. Okay. Come over here. No, that's not my name. I found a treasure box. I'm gonna open it. We left.